welcome. Firstly, I would like to welcome you to Chef's Clubhouse. This website began as an idea I had, and from that become a hobby, and now it has become more of a passion. When I had started building this site, I had no idea whatsoever on how to build a website, so I learned as I went along, and I don't mind telling you it had a lot of changes along the way. A bit about me. Hello, my name is Darren Greenland and I built this site from the ground up. It has been a learning experience along the way and I've loved every step. I am a chef by trade and have been doing it for many years now, and don't see myself stopping in the near future, as my passion is food and hospitality in general. What I've been doing for many years, I've been working as a chef with passion for food and a lot of working experience in busy restaurants. At the age of 30 I moved in this particular field, and since then I have been working in many cafes, hotels and restaurants as a chef, head chef, catering officer, and also leased a small country pub where I not only looked after the bar but cooked as well. And it all started when I got a job straight from cooking school in Sydney at the 2000 Olympic Games, and from there the rest is history.